In the given question, a circuit is given. Now we need to find in part A, find the current through the battery a long time after switch is closed. Now when switch is closed after a long time, then there is no variation in current in the circuit. Inductor behaves as a conducting wire. So there are two resistors R1 and R2 in parallel. So current through the battery, I through the battery is equal to the EMF E by the equivalent resistance, that is EMF E by R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, or that is equal to R1 plus R2 E by R1 R2. This is the current through the battery a long time after the switch is closed. Now in the second part, it is said that suppose the switch is opened at t equal to 0, what is the time constant of the decay circuit? So when switch is opened, now we have resistors R1 and R2 to be in series with an inductor L. So time constant tau is equal to L by R, that is L by R1 plus R2. This is the time constant of the circuit. And we need to find the current through the inductor after one time constant. So before finding current through the inductor, first we need to find what was the maximum current. Let me assume when switch was closed for a long time, I1 is the current through R1 and I2 was the current through R2. So here we can write I1 by I2 to be equal to R2 by R1 and I1 plus I2 to be equal to E by R equivalent. So current through the inductor, maximum current I1 is E by R1. So as current is decreasing with time, so I1 dash is equal to E by R1 e to the power minus t by tau, and after one time constant it is E by R1 e to the power minus 1, or I1 dash is